Hey, what's up? My name is James, and I'm excited to meet you as you embark on your journey to financial freedom. Before I show you the video and step-by-step guide below, I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. It's hard to believe that just 5 short years ago, I was just a fresh-faced kid out of college working a low-paying office job. That definitely wasn't the life for me. But, thanks to the opportunities selling on Amazon FBA afforded me, I was able to leave behind the 9-to-5 life and build the life I wanted to live. Since then I've visited every continent on the globe, been on tons of exciting adventures, and still managed to build a massive Amazon FBA business with over 200 products and 8 figures in revenue. Now it's my time to give back to you and show you exactly how to sell on Amazon FBA so you can have the life you deserve. Amazon offers an incredible opportunity for entrepreneurs to create a fully functional online business from the comfort of their homes. Here's a few of the reasons you should consider selling on Amazon. Access to Amazon's 2.5 billion monthly shoppers means high sales for your business. 25 years of market trust that Amazon built ensure shoppers trust you, too. Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon program does all the hard work for you. Easy scalability – your business can be as small or as big as you like. If this is the first time you've discovered Amazon FBA, don't worry. We want to make sure you understand how it all works. If at any time, you have questions, or any help, don't hesitate to reach out. Keep reading to learn the basics of selling on Amazon. Then, when you're ready, I will explain our favorite method of selling on Amazon called private label.